And families we spoke with in the Oxford community say today's verdict is somewhat of a relief, but that at the end of the day, it is just another step in the legal process. CBS News Detroit's Luke Laster reports from Oxford.
There's no playbook for something like this.
George Stoffen had 2 kids, a son and a daughter, in Oxford High School at the time of the shooting.
We don't talk about it much anymore. Feel like we are covering a lot of the same ground and having the same conversation over and over, and it gets tiring. It gets mentally and sometimes physically tiring.
Stoffen says a guilty verdict for Jennifer Crumbley is a relief, but he says it's still a sad day for him and his community. He says while the conversations with his family don't come up like they once did, it feels like a Band-Aid gets ripped off every time he sees Oxford resurface in the headlines.
When I see information and news, particularly in the national news, about court dates and trials, I am triggered. I think that it is those types of events that take me back to that day.
Stoffen says his mind automatically goes to the families who lost children following Jennifer Crumbley's verdict. It also goes to his fellow community members and everyone who has been impacted.
I think that we often think in terms of closure with a tragedy such as this, but there is no closure. They're just steps in the process. It just brings us back to that day in ways that are raw.
Now, I've had the opportunity to speak with other families who have had or have kids in Oxford High School, many of them echoing Stoffen's thoughts and many others looking ahead now to James Crumbley's trial. In Oxford, Luke Laster, CBS News, Detroit.